I don't know if you know, but the way that examiners look at your writing is based on what they call the Band Descriptors. Okay, so if you go online, go to Google and type IELTS Writing Band Descriptors, you will find one for task 1 and you will find one for task 2. All right, and all of the examiners, they will look at that so they can check your writing, okay? And there is one for the examiners, and there's one that is public that anyone can look at. And that's the one that I'll be sharing with you guys today. Okay, so if you really want to look at it, just head to Google and type again IELTS Writing Band Descriptors, and you will see all of it there. Okay, but today I'm going to share some of the things that you can find there. Okay, and that can help you get your 7+. Okie dokie. All right, okay. So if you have been working with the IELTS, if you have been my student, if you've seen some of my videos, you know that the examiners will check 4 things, okay? So they will check task response, okay, or task achievement, right? Then they will be checking coherence and cohesion. Okay, and then they will be looking at lexical resource, and they'll be looking at grammar. Okay, so basically task response or task achievement means did you do what they asked? Let's say you're doing your task 2 and it's asking you to talk about advantages and disadvantages of a specific topic. If you just talk about advantages, you're probably going to lose points. Or if you only talk about disadvantages, you're also going to lose points because they're asking you to do both, okay? And how do they check that? Concerning task response, okay? So that's why you should, so when you think about it, okay, what do they want me to do? That's task response, all right? Cool. Then the next thing they look at is coherence and cohesion, all right? So task 2, IELTS, coherence and cohesion. By coherence and cohesion, okay, they mean actually to, did you do, actually is more about the flow, okay? So how it flows, all right? And if you are using cohesive devices, if it's well organized, all right? So that's the next thing the examiner will look at, okay? And then, so after they've seen if you have done what they asked you to do, if they check, then they check if it's flowing well, if you have cohesive devices, if it's organized, then they're actually gonna look into your English, all right? So the next thing would be lexical resource. So by lexical resource, we mean vocabulary, okay? So yeah, so when it comes to vocabulary, they're gonna check what you're using, why you're using it, and how you're using it, okie dokie. And then of course, the last thing would be the grammar, all right? Which is, I think, the thing that gets most people, all right? So for you, if you're doing the IELTS exam soon, task 2, pay attention to your grammar, okay? We'll be talking about it in the next few weeks, don't worry. All right, okay, so yeah, so that's grammar, okay?